me see. I'm gonna just test the. Let me just. Ready to go do some damage?
Yes.
Look at this on his last legs and it's still giving me the time of my life. Thought it was gonna jiggle or something. I don't know. I expected some other. Right now it's at 219. It's alright. When we're turning, I saw a puddle of water and I went for it. Time to take you to your fiance because I know she's wondering. She's like, you better bring him back for New Year's. What are you gonna be doing for New Year's?
Fajita.
Happy New Year's, bro. It's been nice, bro.
I'll see you next year.
I'll see you next year. A couple of more hours.
Roca no quema.
My transmission. Oh, it's still going up. Oh man, my inside. How did it feel to struggle versus a truck that's on his last leg?
I need all my cam sensors, right? I need all my cam sensors.
What's up, Fred? You gonna cut my hair again?
Yeah.
Struggled, bro.
I still beat you.
And my transmission slipping. Yo, you beat me, but you were struggling.
Not really.
There you were. Baby.
What you say?
I'll get one as well.
You want one dress too?
Yeah.
You little kid that almost lost to a truck.
That truck's still slow.
I mean, my truck was right close to your car. Heavy ass truck.
She said we were babies, but she's only 2 years older.
Man, 2 years is a lot, right?
After 24, you a girl, and you after 24, you a senior citizen.
Your ass gonna get capped, I think.
Salad for adults anytime?
About to be famous.
Yeah.
Who? Me?
You.
I'm all on YouTube? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you gonna be on
Yeah,
YouTube
okay.
now.
What you want? Cheese. Okay.
Balling for today. Can I get this trim? Scampy. Because tomorrow I'm not balling no more. It's just for today.
You said you two gonna pay enough.
Nope. It has 1,000 carbs in this thing. Yeah, 1,600. I know I do. Jesse does too.
Yep.
You shut the f up, mother. Today we're gonna be doing something new today. So shut the f up before I show everybody.
Say something.
Better you have to hold the camera.
Hey, you wanna see something sexy?
Hold the camera.
Y'all wanna see something sexy?
Ah, you nasty motherfucker.
Would he show his toes?
I think that's a health violation up in here.
Sir, that is unsanitary, sir.
It's a lightning. I jumped on his ass. I was gonna lose anyway. Nice run, bro. I knew I was gonna lose. That's why I jumped on you. That is one badass truck. It looked like he drag races that thing. I gotta get my turbo! As the saying goes, when the turbo spins, the bullshit ends. Truck. I hope that person got out safe because man, what the f I'm cruising right next to this drop dodge and he's trying, like, I'm just like, I'm not gonna race him, but I know he's gonna try to take the bait. Probably gonna lose. I think he's gonna play, but I'll play too. Let's go. Let's get it. Guys, he has some glow in the bottom of his truck. It's midnight club for real. Alright, transmission's heating up. That's my cue to stop being a dumbass. Leo here.
Static Leo here.
I want this so bad.
See the interior?
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
I was sure thinking you were gonna stick with this one.
I mean, in the other warehouse, I have a 2021 single cab that we're building, so.
That wing. That's it. I think you should keep it. It's unique, it's funny, it's fun.
This is what I'm gonna do.
One again. Yeah, I can't block.
Everyone was roasting me that it looked like a shopping cart, that it was big, that it was rice.
I think you should keep it, dog. It's a little bit more fun to like you know how when the people say peacock is like something out of the ordinary.
Yeah,
It
but
gets
I'm
people's
scared
attention.
that when I'm swinging it, it'll fly off.
It's not gonna fly
kill
off.
somebody.
Move that bitch. Move it as hard as you can. Hasta morir la pinche troca, güey.
I know, but you never know.
Hell no, that bitch is welded, bro.
It's not welded, it's bolted on too.
Oh yeah, take that bitch out. That shit looks heavy as.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. It was just an
I thought it was
experiment.
welded on.
$1 experiment. You win some, you lose. Nah, this truck's gonna be nice when it's done. I'm just waiting for all the parts to come in.
What?
I'm gonna give you a ride.
Hell no, better let me drive.
Oh no.
Damn.
Too much power for you. Nah, we'll see. We'll see. Omar, that one's gonna be fun. You can't lie.
I know. I can't wait for you to get it though.
We out here.
Yeah.
Hey, can I swing the truck real quick?
Wing it?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yours?
Yeah.
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 Shout out to my boy Omar for coming through. You're more than welcome to always come. You already know. You know I'm always here.
Happy New Year's, man.
Happy New Year's, my boy. Ready for the Escalade giveaway?
Just keep one, bro. Just keep one.
Hey, we gotta keep upgrading the fleet.
He's legit be like, hey,
We
get the
gotta
one, get the two, get the three, get the
upgrade
four, get the five, so number five, number six.
I wanna buy this one, but you don't wanna sell it.
No, truck, I'm never selling this truck. My truck. Mira, watch it. Ka-chow.
It's nice. I love that frame.
Everybody should start getting them, bro. I mean, everybody's getting them.
Well, I'm looking at a 14 right now in the Valley, a black one.
You're
But
gonna try
if
to
I get it, I'm gonna do that front end.
What color again?
Black.
Black.
But it has the other front end, the one you had. Wheelie. Go wheelie.
For the vlog as well.
But he's on one wheel and then start.
We don't let it go. What you think about the Razor, Omar?
Blue. If you slap on blue,
You saw the seats?
Damn, this thing must go, no?
Some slight. Nah, I won't do a giveaway on this one.
Only keeping one.
You seen that it has a screen?
What year is this? I never.
21. I can't really turn right now because I just put those tires and they rub. Waiting on the lift kit. I can't wait to see my boy Omar with his own Razor.
I can't wait to see my boy Static with his own dirt bike.
I just want the best for everybody.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you flipped.
I flipped it before, so I'm used to it now. Go. I want to swing the truck before I leave.
You won't.
Another one.
He's gonna get on with you.
Alright, get in.
Record it, wait.
My boy getting down.
Not the best that I have done, but it's something for the vlog. Oh, I can't wait to put that V8. Adios. No more seeing bye.
Sonso.
Yeah, the ugly face. Okay, bye.
Sonso.
Damn, guys, these cars are clean. Damn. Is it car? Yeah. You mind if I can do a B-roll on it? turn on the lights from the bottom.